Morning everyone, beautiful Saturday morning. We're heading up to Wreck Cove. The leaves are starting to change. It's absolutely gorgeous. Isle Royale's putting on a fun run today in support of the MS Society. We're going to head up and we're going to go on to the new Mary Barker Trail, which goes over to Cape Smokey. And we're going to go for a ride down to Gondola. This is pretty cool because this is the first time like an ATV group is putting on a run over to there. So pretty awesome. But sit back and enjoy. Let's get on the trail.
I ordered sunshine and 18 degrees. Right,
you don't have the pulley you thought you did.
No, I'm calling Environment Canada. I'm going to get this fixed. Every time you come to an intersection, it's important that you stop and make sure the person behind you sees where you're going. I think that's Wayne's coming up here now. He'll take a group, and like I said, Dave and I will wait to see if anybody else shows up, and then we'll take them there as well.
All right, we're off. Hi, beautiful. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
This is our first trip since Newfoundland, isn't it?
First time I sat my butt back in here.
Awesome. It's a little dusty today, but hopefully we get to see some nice, pretty leaves. We're just coming up on Wreck Cove Dam. Okay, it's funny, you're never ready for a moose sighting. Me and Aaron were scrambling, trying to get, okay, we need this camera, no, we need this camera, no, we need that camera. I hope we got enough of it.
Yeah. Yes. Off to the right. I'm looking, I can't, no. Can you see the drone, boys? Yeah. Where is it? It's above the tree. Oh, yeah, you should be right above them. Two moose, one with a moose. Two moose.
So the moose went into the woods here. You guys would have seen that on the drone. I was hoping they'd come back out on the road up here. Could be wrong. I want to climb that. If anybody can get me the keys to get in, I want to get to the top. We're back on the trail. We just had a little mishap there. Somebody in Polaris RZR rock got caught up in their fan and put a hole in the red. So they're heading back down the mountain. That's something you might want to check into if you've got a Polaris. I guess they say it's a common thing. Check into it. One guy here, he put a screen over his. But we're back on the trail. Wow, look how low the water is. That's crazy. We're just getting to the end of Gisborne voyage. We're about to enter the Mary Barker Trail. We're just on Mary Barker Trail. Mary Barker was a prominent figure in Ingonish. This trail's named after her. She passed away in 2004, just 6 months short of her 100th birthday. She left her trust fund in support of local sports and recreation. All right, this is a gorgeous spot here. You can, in the description down below, I'll put a link to our video. We took the ATVs with the tracks on and came up here and spent the night. It was beautiful. And that's it. That's the end of the unfinished section. We're at Ski Cape Smokey. Check this out. Pretty cool, huh? Isn't that just gorgeous? Wow. All right, we're gonna go get on the gondola. Let's boogie on. Let's get on. Oh, we're in the gondola. Toodaloo, toodaloo. How you doing? Oh, that was awesome going down the gondola. So because we are on the ATVs and we came to the top of the hill, we get a free gondola ride down to the bottom, which is awesome because they hope you spend some money when you're down here. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go spend some money in the canteen because the food is definitely worth that ride down. Just had some lunch at Ski Cape Smokey. Delicious. I had the smoke show. It's a Montreal smoked meat sandwich, and Aaron had the chowder, and it looked chunky, like big pieces of fish. But remember, if you're up ATV in this way and you stop and you get your free ride down the gondola, don't forget to go down and buy something. Help support them. It's pretty awesome that they allow us to do that, so we'd like them to continue. All right, now back into the rough section for about 1 kilometer. Here comes the expert here. Keep it coming. Atta girl. You go, girl. You go, girl. All right, so I'm taking pictures. My wife, my son, nobody waited for me. They're all gone. I'm running up the trail. Maybe I can hitch a ride. Well, at least I found somebody that picked me up. I'm out of breath.
I figured you would.
You left me behind.
Somebody.
Yeah, I was on the middle with Pat and Nancy. Oh, I'm in trouble now. She's behind the wheel. Yeah, I think they took a wrong turn. Cape Smokey Provincial Park. Beautiful little park here to stop and take in some views. All right, trucking through the woods, trying to find my wife. She took off on me. Oh, cool. All right, check this out. So that's Smokey there. That's the big part that you go up and around. It's curvy and everything on the vehicles, Cape Smokey. We came down off the mountain there where you can see where that tower is. We were up back in there. We came down and we just hiked down in here. Beautiful, beautiful down in here. Oh my God. You guys seen that? Them guys trying to get up with this truck. They made it. I should have stayed and videoed it.
And then they came back and they met us at the ski hill.
So we're at the beginning of the Mary Barker Trail. This cabin's nicknamed Barely Made It. Let's go in and have a look. Everybody's having a break. All right, any of my cards left here? No. I'm gonna have to put a couple more. Just coming down off the mountain into Wreck Cove. Had an excellent day today. Was up, enjoyed the gondola, all the leaves changing. It's absolutely beautiful. Did you enjoy it? You had a great time? Awesome. I had a great time. We haven't rode together since Newfoundland. Oh, that's terrible. We got to do it more often. Thank you, Greg, from Isle Royale ATV Club for putting this on, and Wayne for guiding us. Great job, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think and how I'm doing, and until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.